Hey guys, I'm Linnea and welcome back to Linnea's Kitchen. I have a passion for bold flavors and cooking something delicious. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get cooking. All right, today we're gonna be making roasted tomato and basil soup. Let's get started. First off, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. While the oven is preheating, cut your tomatoes in half and place in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Drizzle with a heavy amount of olive oil and lay them cut side up on a baking tray. All right, you guys. So now that our tomatoes have all of the olive oil on them, we are gonna take our garlic, which I have completely just peeled. I'm gonna toss it in some olive oil, just what is left over in your bowl here from the tomatoes. You can drizzle this right on your baking sheet. All right, next I have some oregano. So what we're gonna do is this is just fresh oregano that you can get from your local grocery store. I'm gonna put this right on the pan as well. Kind of tuck it in there. And then a generous amount of salt and pepper right on top. All right, there's our salt, pepper. All right, guys, we're gonna pop this in the oven for 400 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the tomatoes are roasting, cut up one medium-sized red onion and half a cup of carrots. In a large stock pot, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of butter, and a teaspoon of chili flakes. More if you like it a little bit spicier. Add the onion and carrot and saute for 5 minutes, stirring every now and then. Reduce the heat to medium and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until tender. Add a dash of salt and pepper. Once your tomatoes are out of the oven, add them to your stock pot with the remaining ingredients. Add your chicken or vegetable stock and crushed tomatoes and bring it to a steady simmer. Simmer for 25 minutes until the carrots are completely tender. Add in a 1/4 cup of fresh basil, a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and continue to cook for 10 minutes. Using a hand blender or a food processor, blitz the soup until completely smooth. Serve the soup in warm bowls with some crusty bread. You can drizzle it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil or balsamic glaze. I chose heavy whipping cream and garnished with a little bit of fresh basil. Presto, you're done. All right, you guys, let's try this out. The roasted tomatoes, the fresh basil, the heavy cream. It's all perfect. All right, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and let us know what else you want to see in the comments below. All right, we'll see you soon. Make sure you check out our maple cookie recipe right up here. It's the best. And then make sure you subscribe right down here. You can catch all of our videos every single week. We'll see you soon, you guys.